What's good, YouTube? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy E, baby. Y'all see what we got. Y'all see where we at with it. So I was bringing y'all a video of me just cleaning some of the chrome up. I already did the pumps, as you can see. It's not stainless steel. They should have put stainless steel, but it had a lot of bad rust areas. I cleaned all that up. I wish I would have did a before and after, but so clean the pumps up. I'm gonna do the undercarriage, the A-arms, and the chrome springs. I don't know if I put it in that video about the fire, so headliner probably has to be redone, or I try to get this fire put out. I think I did make a video on that. I did make a video, if y'all remember that video, when I did mention that the car caught on fire at a shop down here in Orlando. They playing with the switches and boom. So didn't get no money or didn't get any compensation for it, but hey, it's all good. Blessings will come. But yeah, so cleaned up all the hard lines, and now we're going to go over to the A-arms and springs. So let's go. I did clean up the mass and cylinder, the brake booster. I'm sorry, I cleaned up the brake booster yesterday. I got this. I'm gonna throw actually before in right now. So yeah, so that was before, and this is what it looks like right now. So chrome cylinder, still cleaning up these. I got to get some of this surface stuff off, radiator overheated, stuff like that. So but yeah, so the A-arms need to be done, but just wanted to show y'all this real quick. This came out pretty good, and everything else is coming out. I got to clean up all this wiring. I got a whole new wiring kit to install, but let's get to these A-arms. All right, everybody, so we're under here. Y'all see, got some rust, got some more rust, very greasy from the radiator overheating. I do need to get some linkage, 6'4", but the linkage is 6'2" from what a homie locally said, so I am going to get just those linkages right here. They need to be chrome. Everything else is pretty much chrome. It's just I got to get this whole tie rod in the front to the other side chrome, but I can order those and get those shipped in probably pretty easy. I just gotta get this car up and running like I need to. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to cleaning this chrome, and then we'll be back to show you how this looks after I'm done. All right, let's get it. Oh yeah, real quick, this is my choice of product today. I usually use some other stuff. I couldn't find what I usually use, but I'm gonna just use some Neverdol today in all chrome cleaner mothers. Just for temporary, just to get it cleaned up. Trying to get it ready for Classic weekend coming up this weekend. Today's Monday. Classic starts this Friday, so I'm trying to get it at least up and running for that. So this is just a quick detail, bringing y'all some content. And then of course for Tampa is my ultimate show. I'm trying to get it ready for Tampa. Then Tampa, I'll actually get certain products and get this baby really cleaned up. But yeah, this is what we're using. So now let's get into it. All right, so still working, coating it. I'm on the springs right now. Still got to get this backing. But look at that thing tearing your boy glove up. I still got to clean up some of this paint from when the radiator overheated. So I'm trying to get that all knocked out this week, hopefully. But yeah, still working on it. So we'll be back after I take off this coat and see how it looks. Let's get it. All right, underneath. Trying to clean this up. Once I get this underneath chrome done, then like I said, I'm gonna wipe it off. Still trying to do this back. Gotta try to get around here. Like I said, when I get this ready for a show, I'm definitely gonna put it up on jack stands and get up under here real good. And I still gotta get up in here too as well. So let's get it, baby, let's get it. All right, YouTube fam. So got it all cleaned up on this side. Like I said, this is just temporary, but I got the chrome shining underneath. Look at that, shining. So yeah, man, this stuff works pretty good. Like I said, just a temporary no-dull. We all know about no-dull, but got the wheels. I haven't cleaned the wheels yet, but these are the wheels. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna do the other side too. And then that'll be it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the chrome rear end and other trimmings and just go from there. So I'm gonna let y'all see the other side and we out of this video. Let's get it. All right, this is the other side. It's not bad as the other side was. The driver's side was way worse, but clean this baby up. Then we out of here. Let's get it. All right, YouTube fam. So I got chrome cleaned up. Like I said, this is just temporary. Like I said, I do need chrome linkage, 6.2 linkage, chrome linkage, but like I said, I still need some cleaning up to do, but this is just temporary because I still got to get the car from overheating, did water pump thermostat. So check out these fans, and see if that'll stop the overheating. But we did get some of the chrome cleaned, so just in case I do ride this weekend, I got some of the chrome linkage cleaned up, and yeah. So I just wanted to bring y'all a quick video showing y'all the whip a little bit. And like I said, I'm cleaning it up. Got a lot of things to do. Still need wire harness, steering column put in, stuff like that. But yeah, this has been your boy E. Do a quick probably interior walk around this week as well, just showing you the inside and stuff like that. But this has been your boy E. I will see y'all on the next video. Let's get it, everybody.